I'm Ruth, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about corn. Corn is one of the top 2 products that are grown in the fields around Minnesota. On our farm, we do raise corn and soybeans. One thing I want to tell you about is the difference between sweet corn and field corn.
The corn came from my family's farm, and we just picked it this morning out of our field. It's not the same as the corn that we feed to our animals.
Most of the corn, pretty much all the corn that we grow, is field corn, which is called yellow dent number 2. And that corn is grown in fields like this. And this crop, field corn, is raised until it dries, and then we harvest it. This is some of the corn here. It's not quite ready for harvest yet, but you'll see that it gets a dent in it. And then this corn is then harvested. It's taken to plants around the state, and then it's made into things like ethanol or animal feed. And then it's also used in food that we eat. It's in many different foods that are found in the grocery store. But when you go and eat a cob of sweet corn, it's different than this. So we can't go out in this field and pick this corn and eat it. We have to go to our special sweet corn patches that we grow and eat that corn. But just so you know, there's a difference in the different kinds of corn.
This is my rabbit, Beverly, and she is a pet and not a farm animal. Pets is for fun, and you keep it in the house, and you can teach it tricks, and maybe make it get potty trained. A farm animal is raised for milk, meat, or fur, and you can bring it to the fair. Not like a pet, you don't have to bring it to a fair, but if it's in good shape, you can.